Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video of Jakara's Finance. Make sure, like always, you hit that like, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you can know when we are releasing new videos. Today, we are going to get into Bitcoin basics, or what I like to call Bitcoin 101. Bitcoin is a digital money that was first introduced in January 2009. It is based on ideas presented in a white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto, a mysterious and pseudonymous figure. The person who invented the technology is still, the identity is unknown. Bitcoin promises reduced transaction fees in online payment transactions, and it is controlled by decentralized authority, unlike government-based currencies. Cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, are a sort of digital currency. They are no actual Bitcoins, but instead, balances are stored on a public ledger that everyone can see. Significant amount of conventional power is used to verify every Bitcoin transaction. Bitcoin is not backed, again, by any bank or government. Now, the movement of Bitcoin has been absolutely staggering. And what I did was I took a brief synopsis of major points where Bitcoin has broken through certain key levels. And we're going to look at just a couple of them and kind of go over a couple of things that occurred during that time. Now, going all the way back, when Bitcoin first broke $100 per coin, that was initially back in July of 2013. So again, in the summer of 2013, Bitcoin initially broke $100 a coin. Now, it teetered around that amount for quite some time. And then in a couple of months, it actually broke $1,000 per coin. And that was in November of 2013. So keep in mind, July 2013, it was trading around $100 per coin. And then it got to as high as $1,000 per coin back in November of 2013. So in less than 6 months, the coin value went up 10 times. It broke the 2000 level in May of 2017. Now, something that we all kind of need to think about and understand. Remember, it broke the $1,000 level in November of 2013, but didn't break the $2,000 level until May of 2017. And obviously, once it broke that 2000 level, things really started to begin to gain a lot of steam, and it happened relatively quickly, because what we noticed is that it almost broke the 20,000 mark in December of 2017. So again, once it broke a key level, it went up almost 10 times. Remember, going back to the beginning, and when the coin first broke $100 was July 2013. Then November 2013, we're at 1,000, right? And then we look at what happens in 2017 once it finally breaks through the 2,000 mark. Then it goes to 20,000, right? In essence, right around 6 months. And then it crescendoed. Well, the first crescendo, we should say, happened at 35,000. This was December 2018. I think most people remember that, when it actually dropped to 3,500 per coin in December of 2018. So that's when the drop actually took place. And then from that point, when it bottomed out at 3,500 December 2018, you then saw a steady increase, which actually had a crescendo at $63,000 a coin in April of 2021. So that kind of gives you a quick rundown of the history of the price movement with Bitcoin. A lot of people ask, have we seen the best of Bitcoin? Will it reach those staggering numbers again? I tend to believe that the answer is yes. As of right now, as of this recording, Bitcoin is trading right around the $42,000 mark, which signals that there might be one more run for Bitcoin where it literally moves and does a parabolic move into the 100,000 plus zone. If this does take place, it would be a phenomenal investment, even if you got in right now. Because a lot of people believe that, wow, if it's in $40,000 range, it's probably overpriced and I really won't make that much money. But that's not true. If you really think about it, let's say the coin, just hypothetically, if you were to invest some money today, and let's say the coin hypothetically goes to $80,000 a coin. You've literally doubled your money. And I think what happens, especially out in the internet world, is that you see so many things that are being said about how people are becoming overnight millionaires, and people invested $100 and it became $3 million because they bought some obscure coin that nobody was talking about, and it did 10,000% in a week. Those things do happen. So we'll never discount the fact that they happen, because they do. But I think if people can realize that with investments, if we're able to just compound our investments, we'll end up with a tremendous amount of money in a relatively short amount of time. And I believe that Bitcoin is a vehicle that is tailor-made for you to be able to compound your money. If you invest wisely, you have to pay attention to certain key indicators, and you have to also pay attention to what's going on just in the world in general at specific times. But if you were able to do those things, I believe that you would be able to capitalize and make a lot of money investing in Bitcoin.